Hello guys, we are back with a new informative video. In this video, we will discuss all the changes that SEBI have announced for index options which will be active from 20th November. In this announcement, SEBI has taken very bad decisions for low capital retail traders, but some decisions are looking good for beginners. So let's begin the video guys. Number 1. Increase in lot size. Currently, the contract size for index FNO contracts is between 5 lakh to 10 lakhs. Starting November 20, 2024, the contract value will be increased to between 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs. This will increase the lot size for index FNO contracts and will also result in increased margin requirements in the same proportion. The increase in lot size could also result in existing positions in longer dated options trading as odd lots. This will specifically impact longer dated Nifty options as the new lot size won't be a simple multiple of the current one. As you can see on the picture shown on screen that every index lot size has been changed. Number 2. No calendar spread benefits on expiry day. Traders typically hold positions across different expiries known as calendar spreads. This provides margin benefits and reduces the margin requirements. On the expiry day of the FNO contracts, there a higher risk that the price of the contract expiring will behave very differently from contracts expiring at a late date. This is because of large trading volumes on that particular day, which can lead to unpredictable price movements. To manage this risk, SEBI has decided that traders will not get any margin benefits for calendar spreads on the day of expiry for contracts expiring on that day from February 1, 2025. Example, let's say you have a short option expiry on 31st January with a margin of 1 lakh and a long option expiring on 28th February. Since your short position is hedged by the long one, you get a margin benefit and need only risk 50,000 instead of risk 1 lakh. However, on 31st January expiry date, this margin benefit will no longer be available and you will have to maintain the full 1 lakh margin. Number 3. Limiting weekly expiry contracts. Currently, there are weekly expiries for 4 indices on NSE and 2 on BSE. Under the new rules, stock exchanges will only be allowed to offer weekly expiry contracts on one benchmark index. This comes into effect from November 20, 2024. For example, NSE will be able to offer weekly expiry only for the Nifty 50 index or Bank Nifty, not for both. Likewise, BSE will be able to offer weekly expiry only for Sensex or Bank X. All other indices will be only have monthly expiry. Number 4. Additional margin on expiry day. Starting November 20, 2024, an extreme loss margin of 2% will be applied to short positions selling options on the expiry day to cover potential risks due to increased volatility. Example, you have a short position in Nifty 27,000 call option expiring on 30th October with a margin requirement of risk 1 lakh. On the expiry day of this option, you will have to maintain an additional 2% extreme loss margin is calculated on contract value, strike price multiplied by lot size. So you will need an additional margin of risk 12,500, 25,000 strike price multiplied by lot size into 2% and divided by 100 on expiry day. We hope that you have understood all the changes that SEBI have made for index options which will be active from 20th November. Note that reducing expiry will be good for those who are gambling in option during expiry day. This is the good decision of SEBI. If you liked our video, like and share our video to your friends and subscribe our channel to get updated with our every informative videos. Thank you.